This is the iPhone 17 Pro, a device that pushes Apple's formula forward with smarter design choices, serious performance gains, and one of the most powerful camera systems ever put in a smartphone. It's not a dramatic reinvention, but a focused refinement of what Apple already does best. The iPhone 17 Pro feels incredibly solid in the hand. Apple uses a titanium frame paired with Ceramic Shield 2, rated at Mohs Level 5 for improved scratch resistance. It's durable, premium, and still manages to feel surprisingly light. You also get full IP68 water and dust resistance, plus two new usability upgrades, the action button and a dedicated camera control button, which make one-handed operation faster and more intuitive, especially for photography. Up front is a stunning 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 2622 by 1206 resolution and 460 pixels per inch. It supports 1 to 120 Hz ProMotion, so everything feels smooth, from scrolling to gaming. Brightness peaks at an impressive 3000 nits, making outdoor visibility excellent. Blacks are deep, colors are vibrant, and combined with iOS 26, the interface feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Powering the phone is Apple's new A19 Pro chip, built on an advanced 3nm process. Paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, performance feels instant. Apps launch immediately, multitasking is effortless, and even demanding workloads like video editing and AR feel smooth. Gaming performance is outstanding. Titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and Apex Legends run at maximum settings with stable 120 frames per second ProMotion smoothness, helped by improved thermal management for longer sessions. Running iOS 26, the iPhone 17 Pro benefits from Apple's unmatched ecosystem integration. Features like FaceTime, AirDrop, iCloud, and Mac and iPad continuity continue to be major strengths. Apple's long-term update support ensures years of stability, security, and reliability, a key reason many users keep iPhones longer than most Android devices. The camera system receives one of the biggest upgrades yet. The triple 48-megapixel rear camera setup includes 48-megapixel Fusion, f-stop 1.78 main camera with excellent detail and dynamic range. 48-megapixel ultra-wide, now significantly improved for macro photography. 48-megapixel telephoto offering 4 times and 8 times optical zoom, delivering sharp, long-range shots. Low-light performance is excellent, producing bright images with natural colors and minimal noise. Portrait mode shows impressive depth separation and accurate skin tones. Video is where Apple continues to dominate. The iPhone 17 Pro supports 4K at 120 frames per second with Dolby Vision, cinematic stabilization, and ProRes recording, producing footage that looks professional straight from the phone. Up front, the 18-megapixel selfie camera supports Face ID and delivers clear, low-light selfies and video calls. Battery capacity varies by model. 3,998 milliampere hours for Nano SIM and 4,252 milliampere hours for eSIM versions, delivering up to 31 plus hours of video playback. Charging includes 25 watts plus MagSafe wireless charging and USB-C with USB 3 speeds, offering faster data transfer and more flexibility. The iPhone 17 Pro isn't about flashy gimmicks, it's about refinement done right. With outstanding performance, industry-leading video recording, a beautiful display, and unmatched long-term software support, Apple has created a phone that feels premium in every detail, faster, smarter, and more capable than ever.